The biggest update for Windows 11 that we have been waiting for is finally here, even before the release of 26H2. In this new update, all the features that were available in 26H2 beta builds are now available in the stable build of Windows 11 25H2. The new taskbar customization, the new start menu customization, and the Windows search. And this is the update KB5120998, the build number 26200.9278. And at the same time, the Windows 11 26H2 also entered the release preview channel. So you can say 26H2 has entered the semi-stable phase. You can actually install this by joining the Windows Insider program and then selecting the release preview channel. Or you can wait a week or two, then there will be release preview ISO available for 26H2 and you can do clean install or upgrade and you don't have to join the Windows Insider program. Another interesting fact about 26H2 is that it's going to be a very small update if you're already on 24H2 or 25H2 because they share the same Windows platform. So this morning I installed the latest update, and to get this update you'll have to enable this option in Windows Update, get latest updates as soon as they're available, and then you can click on check for update and you'll see the new update. You can install that update and you'll get all the new features. By enabling this option, you basically get the latest updates as soon as they're available. Let's check out the first feature that is related to taskbar. I'm going to right click on the taskbar, then I'm going to go to taskbar settings. Here I'm going to scroll a little bit down. Here there is a new option, taskbar behaviors. Under that it says taskbar position. Choose where the taskbar is positioned on your screen. The default is bottom, but now we can move this taskbar to wherever we want. And another thing what I've noticed, this system metrics, you can see there is a download and upload speed, CPU, RAM usage, and all that. This is the app that I built. It's a free and open source app called Kilobit System Monitor. There is a link in the description for my GitHub page. You can go and check this out. My app actually works with the new taskbar positions automatically. I don't know how, but yeah, it works. Yeah, whenever I move my taskbar to top or bottom, it automatically, jumps with the taskbar, which is good for me because I don't have to do much work. And then we have other two options, left and right. So I can go left. In left and right, my app won't work that well, so I may have to unlock the position and unlock the snap to taskbar. Then I can drag it around and put it anywhere I want. Let's move to right. Yeah, it works. My favorite one is top and also bottom. And you can also make the taskbar smaller. There is a new taskbar size option. Next to it, it says default. So this is the default taskbar size, but I can choose the new small option and it will make the taskbar small. And yes, it also works with the top taskbar. The small taskbar doesn't work with the left and right. The icons do become smaller, but the overall thickness or width of the taskbar doesn't shrink. And this new feature is under personalization, where you can change the background colors, themes, and the next feature is start menu customization. So this is the default Windows 11 start menu. It's gigantic. Some people like it, some people don't. Oh wait, the new start menu option isn't available in here. And one more thing you may have noticed here, all these new features are gradually rolling out. So they are under gradual rollout. So in my system, it looks like the new taskbar customization option is available, but the new start menu option isn't. But don't worry, I have this virtual machine set up here and all the new features are enabled here. So let's go to personalize and then start. You can see there are many options in here, especially the start menu size. So by default, it will be set to automatic. And this is the default start menu size, but you can make this small, just like this. Now you'll have compact start menu. You can also hide the name from the start menu. Okay, so right now you can see there is my name, the account picture, but I can hide it. And now there is no profile picture. It's just basic profile icon. which says my account. So if I click on it, then it will reveal my name and the account. Another big feature is Windows Search. Search does a better job showing where results come from: app, setting, file, web result, or store suggestion. It's easier to tell what you're looking at and where you will go before you click. Before this, there was a problem with the Windows Search. Whenever you search something, the first results that appear at the top were web searches. Now it's at the bottom. You can see. Now it shows you the best match. I'm looking for Windows updates, so you can see there is a Windows update at the top. Then we have the settings section. Then we'll have the app section. And then at the end, the web results. And yeah, that's it for this video. Hope you enjoyed it. If you have any questions or have any suggestions for me, you can always do the comment and we can have some chit chat in the comment section too. Yeah, that's it. I'll see you in the next one. Take care of yourself and have fun. Bye-bye.